National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 372, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in West Virginia: Pleasant and Wood. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Here we go. Why did this not go off?
North Central Clark County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Urbana, moving northeast at 30 miles.
Not what I wanted, but okay.
Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Urbana, North Lewisburg, Tremont City, Woodstock, Mutual, Cable, Mingo, Ken Ard, New Moorfield, and Powhatan. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio.
Oh boy.
Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in our rain 50%. Now for the official National Weather Service. Winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Stop!
Columbus and vicinity. Overnight, mostly cloudy with the chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows 70. South winds 5 to 10 miles
There.
an hour.
Josh.
40%.
Chance of rain 80%. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. And Sunday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 40%. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. As severe weather is affecting our listening area. You're listening to NOAA
This has
Weather,
been doing
All
this
Hazards
for
Radio,
I don't know how many
KIG
times
86,
now.
Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio.
It's ridiculous.
We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. You're listening to NOAA Weather,
Oh my
All
gosh,
Hazards
dude.
Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating
come
from
on.
the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio.
We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. There's rotation. Somebody just said, well, this is a pretty interesting storm. is this person doing like 2 miles an hour? It's funny. Well, I have an audio stream in the background, but I don't know if it's gonna record everything. If a TOR is issued, hopefully it gets everything, but I swear, why can't I just be at home when these freaking storms hit? You're gonna get struck by lightning. I swear, man, my dad does not want me to have any fun whatsoever. That looks pretty interesting. Oh, I think I caught that. Reason why I'm not like staying silent is because there's freaking music in the background. My dad decides, oh, let's play music because, you know, man, this was like completely unexpected too. Like I was at physical therapy, went to go to Kroger to get some groceries, and then I'd come back and this is here. Yeah, literally came out of nowhere. There was an SVR issued for it before. Ooh, it was pretty good. But it expired because it moved out of the warned area, so that might mean they issue another one because on radar it looks like the worst part is heading for us. So at one point right there, just this general area is where I'm focused. The problem is it's the front of the storm, so usually the bad rotation and stuff doesn't really happen on the front, more so the back. But man, this general area right here, I don't know why, I'm just kind of keeping my eye on it because it is the lowest part of the storm. Yeah, if you look around, I mean, that's a definite wall cloud. My gosh. I don't know if my mom sees this or not, but man. I'm gonna come back out real quick. Oh, that was close. I'll be right back. Yeah. This one isn't as bad as the other one though. Yep. It is on its way. There's Bill getting the garbage. I don't know why, but It seems like when people, like when there's a bad storm, everybody in the world decides to come outside and do something, like take a walk, ride a bike, arrive at home.
What's that?
What? Huh?
We must have missed the cutoff for the trash.
Yeah, because Joe, knowing him, he didn't wake up until after the trash guys even came.
Whoa. That's
I keep telling you to wake up this morning.
well, you know I didn't sleep well. I'm sniffling nose.
You know we'll probably have to pick up that trash after this storm, right?
Well, too late now. No use in getting it now because it is almost here. Oh, somebody's mowing their yard. That's nice.
Really?
That's what that sound was. I was like, and that's also something people do when there's a bad storm. They decide to mow. Yep, gust front.
Oh, no, that is shit.
You'll hear the thunder here soon. Oh yeah. Woo! I can barely hold my phone up straight, man. Yeah, it's here. It's here. Here she comes, boys. Oh man. It's here. Hang on. Should probably. I don't know. Probably no alerts since we were out there, I'd assume. No? Nah, they're all dark.
And now the extended forecast.
Oh boy.
In Ohio, Always, Champaign, Clark, Dark, Delaware, Franklin, Ohio, Greene, Harding, Licking, Logan, Madison, Mercer, Miami, Montgomery, Preble, Shelby, and Union, Ohio. Repeat amount of showers and thunderstorms with torrential rainfall are expected today through Saturday afternoon. Widespread rainfall totals of 1 to 3 inches are expected. Localized higher totals are possible and flash flooding may develop, especially late this afternoon through tonight. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Flash flood watch.
Nice. 3:51 in the morning. Way to go.
Issued a flash flood watch from 8 a.m. this morning through Saturday afternoon for portions of east central Indiana and Ohio, including the following counties in east central Indiana: Fayette,
Another one, dude.
in Ohio, Always, Champaign, Clark, Dark, Delaware, Franklin, Ohio, Greene, Harding, Licking, Logan, Madison, Mercer, Miami, Montgomery, Preble, Shelby, and Union, Ohio. Repeated rounds of showers and thunderstorms with torrential rainfall are expected today through Saturday afternoon. Widespread rainfall totals of 1 to 3 inches are expected. Localized higher totals are possible and flash flooding may develop, especially late this afternoon through tonight. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Flash flood watch in effect from 8 a.m. this morning through Saturday morning.
Dang.
For Hancock,
Well, I'm still in bed, but
and Knox counties,
hey,
the National Weather Service in Cleveland
sun's out, time to wake up.
watch for portions of Ohio and North.
There we go. It won't stop. Turn that thing off, Joe.
Including the following counties in southeast Indiana, Dearborn, Franklin, Ohio, Ripley, and Switzerland. In northern Kentucky, Boone, Campbell, and Kenton. In Ohio, Butler, Claremont, Clinton, Fayette, Ohio, Hamilton, and Warren. Through Saturday afternoon. Repeated rounds of showers and thunderstorms with torrential rainfall are expected today through Saturday afternoon. Widespread rainfall totals of 1 to 3 inches are expected. Localized higher totals are possible and flash flooding may develop, especially late this afternoon through tonight. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Now we're getting something.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Clark County, northern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Carrollton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Miamisburg, Springboro, Bellbrook, Moraine, New Carlisle, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Cedarville, Enon, Wilberforce, and Riverside. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 38 and 46. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 41 and 57. You're listening to NOAA Weather. All hazards.
Another one. Another one.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Butler County, northern Warren County, northwestern Clinton County, southern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hunter, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Room's a mess.
Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Middletown, Mason, Xenia, Miamisburg, Lebanon,
That's
Springboro,
stuck.
Monroe, Franklin, Bellbrook, Carlisle, Waynesville, Jamestown, Four Bridges, Hunter, Wilberforce, New Jasper, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, and Port William. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 32 and 33, in between mile markers 36 and 57. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 42. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:15 p.m. for South.
Weather alert.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County, Ohio, northern Clinton County, southeastern Greene County, southern Madison County until 4 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jamestown, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Xenia, Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, London, Sabina, Jamestown, Mount Sterling, Jeffersonville, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Wilberforce, New Jasper, South Solon, Midway, Bowersville, Port William, Milledgeville, Octa, Paintersville, and Newport. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 47 and 88. Flash flood watch remains in effect through Saturday.
Alright, well, we have a severe thunderstorm warning that's sort of in our direct path. I'm not sure if they'll issue another one for this one or not, and after these I'm probably going to shut off my radios because I don't want to deal with a bunch of flash flood warnings. It'll just be annoying. Sky's a little dark outside. N8WX finally got on, which is nice, even though they're like super late, but yeah, look at that. Pretty crazy. Excuse me. But yeah, they're sort of everywhere right now. There's a slight risk up here with literally nothing, but right now it seems like where we are is where the fun stuff's happening. Mesoscale precipitation discussion. Let's see what N8WX is up to. But yeah, we have another one coming right behind the one that just hit us. So we'll see if we get another SVR. I don't know. Well, we'll see.
Ohio public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. And now the extended forecast. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 30%. Saturday night.